Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive deep into the world of technology, unpacking complex subjects, sharing insights, and maybe even inspiring a few innovations of our own. Today, we're focusing on the Bluesky Personal Data Server, or PDS, and how it's shaping the future of social media. If you've ever been intrigued by the idea of self-hosting your own social media server, or just want to understand what's happening behind the scenes with Bluesky and the AT protocol, you're in the right place. So what is Bluesky? Well, it's a social media application that runs on something called the AT protocol. Think of it as an innovative framework that facilitates large-scale distributed social applications. It's trying to create a more open and integrated internet where users have control over their data and interactions. Now, if you're tech-savvy or just a curious listener, you might wonder about self-hosting your own PDS. Imagine being your own social media admin. Not only do you control who has access to your platform, but you're also stepping into a community of like-minded pioneers. Picture this. You've just set up your personal data server, and now you're federating with the greater Bluesky network. What does that even mean? Well, federation allows for the sharing and communication between different servers, creating a more connected and democratic social media landscape. To self-host, you'll need a few things, specifically a server with decent capabilities. Think about it this way. It's like buying a home before throwing a housewarming party. You wouldn't want to invite friends over to a house under construction. With the right configuration, including opening certain firewall ports like HTTP and HTTPS, you're basically rolling out the red carpet for users. And speaking of configuration, let's talk DNS. Setting up a domain name for your PDS is crucial. It's like choosing the sign for your new cafe. You want it to be inviting and easy to find, right? Setting the right DNS records is essential for users to locate your server. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It sounds like a lot of technical work, right? But once you get it set up, following some straightforward installation steps on Ubuntu, you can start interacting with users. And when building communities, having the functionality to create accounts easily and manage user permissions is key. You can create accounts via command line tools with cool-sounding names like PDS admin. Isn't that fascinating? This idea of user autonomy is part of a larger trend in technology where people want to take back control of their digital identities. The Bluesky PDS fits right into this narrative, allowing you to set up an account, customize your experience, and even use their application directly. The control is in your hands. Now, as we wind down today's episode, think about this. What would a more decentralized social media landscape mean for you? How might it change the way we interact online? In summary, Bluesky and its personal data server initiative are offering an interesting glimpse into the possibilities of self-hosted social media. Through federation, user autonomy, and novel protocols like AT protocol, they're paving the way for a new era of online interaction. Thanks for joining us today on Tech Talk Today. If you've enjoyed this episode, consider diving into the world of self-hosting with Bluesky or exploring how we can each take control of our digital lives. Until next time, keep questioning and innovating. Who knows what you might discover?